I can do. I fly like a bird. I swim like a fish. I leap like a kangaroo. I trot like a horse. I run like a hare. I climb like an ape in the zoo. I slide like a snake. I slip like a girl. I crawl like a baby. And then I clap my hands low. And I clap my hands high. And begin it all over again. Second poem, all about me. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little mouth to kiss mommy. Good night. Third poem, Giant and the Dwarf. I am so big. I am so small. I am so tiny. I am nothing at all. I stretch and I stretch. I grow and I grow. As tall as a giant with ho, ho, ho. Fourth and last poem, The Sounds. Tum, tee, tum. Tum, tee, tum. This is the sound of my little toy drum. I beat with my sticks to make the sound tum, tee, tum as I march along. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.